Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue of notes not showing on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. If you swipe left from the home page, you should see the chat section open up. At the top of this section, you should see all the available notes from the accounts you follow. If you don't see any notes here, go back to the Instagram homepage. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the profile page that appears, select the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now access settings from this menu. In the settings, tap on the privacy option. Here, look for the activity status tab and make sure it is turned on. This will allow your notes to be visible. If you still don't see any notes after doing this, it's possible that the Instagram app needs to be updated. Get out of the Instagram app and open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. Search for Instagram and check if there is an update available. If so, install the update. After updating the app, open Instagram again and check the chat section. Your notes should now be visible at the top. So that's basically how you can fix the issue of notes not showing on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.